Hey everyone, I'm Naveen and I'm here to tell you about the 70mai Omni Dashcam. This dashcam is the perfect way to keep your car safe and secure. The 70mai Omni Dashcam has a patented 360-degree full view rotatable design so you can monitor all directions around your car. It also has an f1.5 large aperture and pure Cell Plus S HDR technology so you can get clear images even in low light conditions. Plus, it has a 60 fps dynamic vision so you can get clear video even in fast driving or bumpy conditions. The 70mai Omni Dashcam also has AI motion detection so it can automatically detect suspiciousness and follow up the movement. And it has an eMMC storage which uses NAND technology and does not require power to retain data. So if you're looking for a reliable and secure dash cam, then the 70mai Omni Dashcam is the perfect choice for you.